Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google account you want to use, because backups attach to that account and not the device. Next, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection or explicitly permit cellular uploads to avoid surprises. This balances speed versus data cost. Once done, open Google Photos, go to Settings, right arrow Backup and Sync, enable it, and choose your upload quality. Original preserves everything. Storage Saver saves quota. This gets the initial syncing process rolling immediately. And now refine what actually gets copied so you don't waste space on clutter. Go to Backup Device folders and toggle camera, screenshots, or third-party app folders you want saved. Disabling others prevents needless uploads. Make sure to set when backups run. For example, only while charging or only on Wi-Fi if you have limited data. Also double-check your upload size preference because original uses your storage quota, while Storage Saver reduces file size to conserve space. Finish by verifying that backup's completed. Tap your profile picture and read the status. It should say Backup Complete or show Recent Upload Activity. If backup pauses, check storage usage and either free space in Google Drive or switch to Storage Saver to continue. If items fail to upload, try simple fixes. Sign out and sign back in, clear the Photos app cache, or reinstall the app. These reset stalled processes. If problems persist, check folder permissions so Photos can access your images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.